So in the interest of conservation, I want to make some butter out of whipping cream, heavy whipping cream. That's all it is anyway. It's just heavy whipping cream that's whipped up into butter, and then separate the buttermilk, and I'll have that for dinner. I love buttermilk. So first we're going to start with heavy whipping cream. You're going to put some in the bowl. Probably should have opened it on the end. So we're going to start with a pint this time. See, I'm not sure how much it's going to make, but I've been watching some, sorry about that, some videos, and they always start with a quart, so we'll see how much this makes. Okay, first we'll start on a low speed. This is going to take a while. I'm not really sure how long it takes, but yeah, we'll edit all of the boring stuff out. Well, so as you can see, it's starting to get thick now. So, cheating there. I like to put some salt in it right about now, so I like my butter salty. Just a little bit, not too much. And I use sea salt, of course. And you can start to see the buttermilk starting to separate from the cream now. I'm getting a liquid on there, and it's getting kind of messy now, so you have to kind of keep your hand over the top, keep it from splattering all over. So it won't be too long now. Okay, so now we got to pour some buttermilk off. And as you can see, it's starting to turn the color of butter. Got a little yellow tint to it. And we'll just beat it up some more. So, that's pretty much what it looks like. Got all of the buttermilk out of there. It didn't make too big of a mess. Man in the kitchen, you know how that is. But now, we're going to get it out on a plate. Okay, what we do now is we take and mold it, squish it up really good, force all of the buttermilk out that we can. Okay, and now got that done, then we'll take it, put it all in the ham. End product is a little tub of butter, and that's real butter, salted butter, and boy is it good. Hope you enjoyed this video. The whole thing took about 30 minutes altogether, I guess, which wasn't too bad, I guess. Tastes like real butter. I went to the store and got the whipping cream. Paid about $1.50 for it, as compared to $6 for butter off the shelf at the grocery store. So $1.50.